What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing another side of my business that you don't actually see. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income using Amazon, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course outlines everything that I did to get to $1,000 per month within 3 months with low and no content book publishing. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, the other side of my business that you don't tend to see. Now, what is that? That is my email list. I've been building this for some time now. It's starting to get bigger. As you can see just here, I have 927 people on my email list. Now this site, this software is called GetResponse. This allows me to capture other people's email addresses and then send them emails. Now with my own email list, like I said, I've been building this for some time now. There's always a link in the description of my videos to get on my email list. So if we go back over to YouTube, I can show you that. So let's just click on this video. Let me just quickly pause this as well. Right there. Is it going to let me? Yep, that's great, mate. So let's pause that. And if we scroll down to here, we can see my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Click here. So if someone actually clicks this link, it's going to open into a new tab, and then it's going to go to my squeeze page or my capture page. So right here it says work from home, how to start earning $1,000 per month. Anyone can do this. And if they click yes, I want this, then they can put in their email address just here. This is going to send them out a first email promoting my own products, because my own course is how I got to $1,000 per month, and I believe anybody could do that with publishing on Amazon KDP. So anyway, once they've put in their email address, they're going to get onto my email list. So why is this important? Well, for years now, ever since I got into internet marketing and making money online back in 2013, I heard so much that the money is in the list. Well, I have to disagree with that. I believe that for such a long time. But the truth is that the money is not in the list. The money is in the relationship that you build with that list. So these 927 people on my email list, I want to build a relationship with, and I want them to get to know, like, and trust me. Why is that? Well, because people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So if I can build a relationship with these people on my email list, then when I do recommend my own products or services or anything that I use myself, when I come to recommending that, they're more likely to buy from me. Now, the whole point of building this email list is it's just another stream of traffic. So I believe in multiple streams of traffic along with multiple streams of income. Now, having multiple streams of traffic means you can always send traffic to certain offers, your own videos, or whatever you want. So if I wanted to send traffic to one of my courses or someone else else's course as an affiliate, or even my own video, I now have 927 people that I can send that email to, and I own this email list. See, with YouTube, you don't actually own that. Your channel can get taken away at any minute. With your Facebook accounts, that can get taken away as well. But owning your email list, that can never be taken away. So this is one of the best things that you should be building for your business right now. Now, it looks like 927 people is a fair bit. I've been building this, it must be for a good year now. And if we go to here, we can see how many that I actually get. So let's go to this week. No, let's go to last week. So last week I had 18 people sign up on my email list. This is all completely passive because, like I said, I do have that link in the description of my videos. People find my videos, they watch that, they see this, they click through, they go to here, they put in their email address, and then they're on my email list where I can start providing value and building that relationship. Now, if we go up to here and go to email marketing, I send out an email every single day. Now, I don't always promote stuff to my list every single day. That's one way to completely burn out your email list as well, and they'll become, or your email list will become, very unresponsive. You want to provide as much value as you can and then promote something like that. So if we look at all these emails that I've sent since, I think we got 10 on the page. So since the 27th, all these emails that I've sent out every single day, not one of them has been an email designed just to promote things. Remember, provide that value first. Now, if we look at my open rates, we can see I'm getting fairly good open rates as well. So an open rate, this one is 10%. So if I sent out an email to 100 people, that means 10 of those people opened that up. And then I have a 1.45 click-through rate on that one. If we go here, this one got a 12% open rate, which is pretty good. Same with this one. This one, 17% open rate and a 4% click-through rate. So let's take the example of 100 people. So say I sent this to 100 people, 17 people opened that up, and then 4% of those 17 people clicked through the link in my description or in the email. So now if we open this one up, actually, I think I lied a little bit. Sorry about that. This one was actually promoting one of my own courses. So over the last 10 days, I've only sent out one email which was promoting my course. So let's actually click on this and click preview. And we can see what that email actually said. So let that load up. So the demand in this niche is huge. That was my headline. That's what got such good open rates at 17%. Then it goes on to say, as you more than likely know, I have been making books in the kids low content book niche, and a couple of my books are performing pretty well. If you have wanted to get into kids low content books but don't know where to start, then check out our new training, Kids LCB, as I cover everything I am currently doing. Check it out just here. Have a great day. P.S. This is also part of the vault as a bonus. So if people click on this and go through, they go through to my new course, which is all about kids low content books. Now, because I actually own this email list, this is my email list which I have been growing, I could send out a completely different email promoting someone else's product, and that is affiliate marketing. But this is the side of my business that most people don't see and they don't really tend to think about. Now, if you'd like some more information or videos all about list building and building your email list, then drop a comment down below letting me know, because I'd love to create some videos around this topic. Because doing this, building an email list, creating a capture page or a squeeze page, sending emails, promoting offers, isn't as hard as you think. Most people like to overcomplicate everything. And with me, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I always keep things KISS. Keep it super simple. See, with my email, you can see how simple I've actually kept everything. I'm not trying to hard sell you anything where it just says buy my course, buy my course, buy my course. I'm not trying to promise you that you're going to make thousands. I just like promoting my products in a way that I would talk to my friends about this. So like this, as we've already read it, as you more than likely know, I've been making books in the low content book niche, and a couple of my books are performing pretty well. If you have wanted to get into kids low content books but don't know where to start, then come and check out our new training. See, with that email, there's nothing hard selling about it, yet it still makes me sales. I'm never pushy, I'm never saying buy this, buy that, or anything like that, because I keep it super simple. So again, if you want some more videos about this side of my business on how to build an email list, how to promote offers, and how to write emails and all of that, leave a comment down below letting me know. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.